how to fix Instagram bad quality on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, just go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is an update here and then click on it. And after that, open your Instagram, and as you see, go to settings here, and now just scroll down until you find accounts, and then click cellular data use, and here we'll find media upload quality. Now just enable this one, upload at highest quality, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and make sure data saver is disabled. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.